In today's video, we're diving into how to choose the right manual treadmill. For anyone who wants a great cardio workout in a small space with no electricity and a lower cost, a manual treadmill is a fantastic choice. We'll be comparing the top-rated curved and flat belt models, discussing their pros and cons, and helping you decide which machine is best for your home gym or fitness goals. Let's get started. Product number 1, Trisomi Foldable Treadmill with 8% Incline. The Trisomi is a powerful and versatile solution, combining a full treadmill experience with a compact, foldable design. Featuring a strong 3.5 HP low noise motor, it supports speeds suitable for both walking and light jogging, up to 6.0 mph. Its standout feature is the 8% manual incline, a high-intensity option often missing in small space units, allowing users to significantly boost calorie burn and target different leg muscles. The treadmill includes an integrated handlebar that folds down for under-desk use, making it a true 4-in-1 machine: walking pad, jogging treadmill, hill climber, and underdesk. With a robust 330 pounds capacity and an effective shock-absorbing system, it's a great option for users seeking maximum performance in a minimal footprint. 2. Walking Pad Treadmill. Portable treadmills for home. This walking pad is built for the dedicated work walker. Its ultra-slim, portable design makes it ideal for slipping under a standing desk. The quiet 2.5 HP motor offers a smooth walking experience, perfect for maintaining activity during long work hours without disturbing others. While primarily a walker, it does feature a 5% manual incline, allowing users to increase the intensity of their steps. Its compact running area, around 15 inches by 35.4 inches, and lower max speed, typically under 4 mph, prioritize function over speed, focusing squarely on the underdesk environment. The 265 pounds capacity and convenient remote control make this a reliable choice for consistent, low-impact cardio integrated into the workday. Product number 3, Aliexpress Small Standing Desk Adjustable Height. While not a piece of fitness equipment itself, the Aliexpress Small Standing Desk is a critical component for an active workspace. This adjustable height desk facilitates the use of walking pads and mini steppers by allowing seamless transition between sitting and standing. Its compact size makes it apartment-friendly, and the manual or sometimes pneumatic adjustment mechanism ensures stability and reliability. A good standing desk must be sturdy to handle the slight movement of a treadmill user and have sufficient desktop space for a laptop and monitors. Reviewers praise the Aliexpress for its durability and ergonomic design, making it the essential anchor for a complete work and walk setup. Product number 4, Life Pro Underdesk Small Walking Pad with 2-stage incline, 5 degrees and 7 degrees. The Life Pro Walking Pad specializes in high-efficiency, compact underdesk cardio. What sets this small machine apart is its 2-stage manual incline, 5 degrees and 7 degrees. This feature, combined with its compact size, means users can achieve a higher heart rate and more effective calorie burn than on flat walking pads without taking up floor space. It operates quietly and includes a safety handle for balance, which can be folded down for underdesk use. Designed for walking and light movement, max speed typically 3.0 mph, it tracks key metrics like steps, time, and distance. The Life Pro is the top recommendation for those prioritizing intensity and joint comfort in a very small machine. Product number 5, Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper for exercise at home. For the ultimate space-saving cardio and lower body strength solution, the Sunny Health and Fitness Mini Stepper is unmatched. Using a hydraulic drive system, it provides a quiet, low-impact, up and down stepping motion that effectively targets the glutes and calves. Crucially, it comes with resistance bands, transforming the simple stepper into a full-body workout machine. This completely non-electric unit is exceptionally portable and can be used anywhere in the home, requiring no dedicated space. Its adjustable step height allows users to vary resistance and intensity. It's the perfect budget-friendly option for quick, intense workouts, especially for users who want to avoid the noise and bulk of a treadmill.